Excuse me. I would like to send this package to Japan, but I am not sure how to start.
Sending a package abroad. That can feel really tricky, right? Have you ever walked into a post office in an English-speaking country with a package in your hands, and no idea how to even start the conversation? You want to send something home, but the words just will not come out. Or maybe the clerk asks about a customs form and you have no clue what that means. If this sounds familiar, you are in the right place. Today, I have 5 super useful phrases that will make sending letters and packages abroad so much easier. Let us go. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Easy English with Emma. I am Emma, and today, we are going to the post office. Whether you are traveling, studying abroad, or living in a new country, at some point you will probably want to send a package or postcard back home. Maybe a gift for your family, a letter to a friend, or even shipping something you bought. But post offices can feel a little tricky. There are forms, weight limits, delivery options, and sometimes tracking numbers to figure out. Do not worry. By the end of this video, you will feel totally confident walking up to any post office counter, in English. Ready? Let us check out today's key phrases. Alright. Let us go through today's 5 key phrases. Repeat after me. Key phrase 1. I would like to send this package to Japan, please. I would like to send this package to Japan, please. Perfect. Just swap Japan with any country you are sending to. Key phrase 2. How much will it cost to send this? How much will it cost to send this? Great. This one helps you compare prices before you decide how to ship. Key phrase 3. Do I need to fill out a customs form? Do I need to fill out a customs form? Yes. This one is so important, especially for international packages. A customs form is a little paper that describes what is inside your box. Forget this, and your package might not arrive. Key phrase 4. What is the fastest delivery option? What is the fastest delivery option? Excellent. Perfect when something is urgent, like a birthday gift. Key phrase 5. Could I get a tracking number, please? Could I get a tracking number, please? Beautiful. A tracking number lets you check online where your package is. Always ask for one. Great. 5 phrases. Now let us see them in action. Alright. Hannah is at the post office with a medium-sized package. Watch how she sends it to Japan.
Hi. I would like to send this package to Japan, please.
Of course. Let me weigh it for you. Could you place it on the scale?
Sure, here you go.
It is 1.2 kilograms. How would you like to send it?
How much will it cost to send this?
We have a few options. Standard International is $28 and takes about 2 weeks. Express is $55 and takes about 5 business days.
What is the fastest delivery option?
That would be Priority Express. $68, and it arrives in 2 to 3 business days.
I will go with Express, please. 5 days is fine.
Great choice. I will get that started for you.
Nicely done, Hannah. Did you notice how she asked for options before deciding? How much will it cost to send this? What is the fastest delivery option? These 2 phrases give you so much control. In the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, post offices usually offer several shipping speeds: standard, express, priority, and so on. You do not have to pick the first one they suggest. Also, Daniel weighed the package and asked how she wanted to send it. This is very common. Do not worry, you do not have to know the weight in advance. Just bring it in, and they will check for you. Now Daniel needs Hannah to fill out a customs form. Watch how she handles it.
Alright, for international shipping to Japan, there is one more thing we need.
That is exactly what I was going to ask. Do I need to fill out a customs form?
Yes, all international packages need one. Here is the form. You will need to describe what is inside, the value of the items, and sign at the bottom.
Okay. What should I write for description of contents?
Something simple and clear. For example, if it is a gift, you can write clothing, gift, or books, personal use. Just be honest about what is inside.
Got it. It is a sweater and some snacks for my sister. About $30 in total.
Perfect. Write sweater and snacks, gift, and $30 for the value.
Thank you. And one more thing. Could I get a tracking number, please?
Absolutely. It is already included with express shipping. Here is your receipt. The tracking number is at the top. You can check it online anytime.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your help.
Amazing. This situation is so useful for anyone sending packages internationally. Let us look at what Hannah did perfectly. Do I need to fill out a customs form? A customs form is a little paper that tells the country receiving your package what is inside. Every international package needs one. No exceptions. The customs officers use this to check if anything needs special handling or taxes. And remember, Hannah asked, "Could I get a tracking number, please?" Most express services already include tracking, but it is always smart to ask. That way, you can check your package online anytime and see exactly where it is. In the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, tracking numbers are standard for most shipping options. A week later, Hannah is back at the post office, a little worried. Watch how she asks for help.
Hi. I sent a package to Japan last week, but the tracking has not updated in 3 days. Could you help me?
Of course. Do you have the tracking number with you?
Yes, it is right here on my phone. It says the package left the International Sorting Center on Tuesday, but nothing after that.
Let me take a look. May I see the number, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Let me check our system. I see. It is actually in transit to Japan right now. International tracking sometimes pauses during flights, which is completely normal. It should update again once it arrives at customs in Japan.
Oh. That is a relief. So it is not lost?
Not at all. Based on the timeline, it should arrive in about 2 more days.
Thank you so much. I was really worried.
Happy to help. And if you ever do not see an update for more than 7 days, feel free to come back and we will check again.
Perfect. Thanks again.
Fantastic. Hannah did such a great job checking in about her package. And did you notice the phrase she started with? Could you help me? This is one of the most useful phrases in any situation, not just the post office. If you were ever confused or worried, just start with, "Could you help me?" And the clerk will guide you through the rest. Let me highlight one more thing from today's phrases. Do I need to fill out a customs form? We use, "do I need to," when we want to ask if something is required. It is very polite and very clear. You can use this phrase anywhere. Do I need to sign here? Do I need to pay extra for that? Do I need to bring my ID? So useful, right? Quiz time. Hannah wants to send a package to her sister in Japan. Which question should she ask first? A. Could I get a tracking number, please? B. I would like to send this package to Japan, please. C. Do I need to fill out a customs form? Write A, B, or C in the comments right now. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases for the post office, from sending packages to handling customs forms and tracking numbers like a total pro. I would like to send this package to Japan, please. How much will it cost to send this? Do I need to fill out a customs form? What is the fastest delivery option? Could I get a tracking number, please? Remember, post offices can feel a little stressful at first, but once you know these phrases, you will breeze through every time. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, we are heading to the train station. Wait till you hear the one phrase Hannah uses to never get on the wrong train again. It is a tiny sentence that saves travelers from so much panic, and once you learn it, you will use it every single trip. You do not want to miss it. See you next time. Bye-bye.